In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for travel planning 2026 full guide. Planning a vacation or even a quick weekend away can feel like a second job with endless tabs, conflicting reviews, and rigid itineraries. In 2026, ChatGPT works like a personal travel concierge that helps you design a trip that fits your style, keeps logistics smooth, uncovers authentic experiences, and keeps your budget on track. Let's dive in and build a smarter trip from start to finish. Start by crafting a hyper personalized dynamic itinerary. Avoid vague asks like, give me a 3 day plan. Instead, feed context about who you are and how you like to travel. Try something like, act as an elite local tour guide and luxury travel planner. Create a highly detailed 4 day itinerary for a trip to Tokyo. I am a major enthusiast of gaming culture, street food, and historic architecture, but I want to avoid massive, exhausting tourist traps. Schedule the days logically by neighborhood proximity to minimize transit fatigue, include specific dining recommendations for lunch and dinner, and format it into a clean markdown table. Add your dates, pace, mobility needs, and budget. Ask for backups for rainy days and quick alternatives if a place is closed. Next, optimize logistics before you go. Use ChatGPT to map routes, understand lines, and estimate timing. For example, I'm planning my transit for a trip. I will be staying at a hotel near Tokyo Station and I need to visit Akihabara in the morning and then head over to Asakusa in the afternoon. Explain the most efficient public transportation route using the local train or subway lines. Include line names, transit directions, estimated travel times, and practical tips on buying a local transit pass. Request landmark-based directions, last train reminders, and pass options. Always confirm final details with official apps once you're on the ground. To avoid tourist traps, ask for authentic local pics. Use a prompt like, act as an insider travel journalist. Give me a list of 5 hidden gems, low-key view spots, or authentic night markets in Tokyo that are highly celebrated by locals but rarely featured on mainstream travel websites. For each recommendation, explain exactly what makes it unique and the best time of day to visit to avoid crowds. Ask for etiquette notes and the best days to go. Prepare smarter with a tailored packing checklist and pre-trip guide. Say, generate a comprehensive, categorized packing checklist for a 4 day urban trip to Tokyo during the current season. Break it down into sections: electronics and adapters, important documents, clothes, and daily essentials. Include a short pre trip alert list highlighting local customs, dress codes for temples, and tipping etiquette. Add your planned activities and tech preferences. Finally, build a complete budget. Prompt, act as a financial travel analyst. Help me build a realistic expense estimator for my upcoming 4 day solo trip to Tokyo. I want to allocate a moderate budget for food, local transit, and activity entrance fees. Break down the estimated daily costs in local currency, suggest 3 smart ways to save money without compromising on the experience, and organize the data into a clean expense dashboard structure. Ask for a buffer and savings tips that match your style. Handing off research and logistics to ChatGPT frees you to enjoy the fun parts of travel. Iterate on these prompts, save your chat for reference, and you'll arrive confident, prepared, and excited. Thanks for watching, and see you in the